Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Video lectures, Class 4. Subject English. Lecture 3. Book name is Oxford Reading Circle. Let's see the contents. Today we are going to do the question answers of Unit 1, then Exercise B, and at the end we will do Exercise C Part 2. Unit 1, A Legend of Rubezahl. We will do the question answers first of all. They are on page number 15. Question 1 is, why was the glazier feeling tired? Answer is, he was feeling tired because he was carrying a heavy load of glass and the sun was shining brightly. Question 2. What did Rubezahl disguise himself as first? Answer is, first he disguised himself as a little grassy mound. Question 3. What was Rubezahl's third disguise? Answer, his third disguise was that of a donkey. Question 4. Find two examples from the story that show us that the miller was an unpleasant man. Answer, the miller was a cruel man who had cheated poor people. He made his servants and animals work too hard. So, these are the first 4 questions and their answers. You can note them down on your copies and you have to learn them as well. Now moving on to the next exercise which we have to do today. It is on the same page, page 15, Exercise B. Reference to the context. Who said the following, to whom and when? Number 1 is, hey, get this donkey some hay. So who said this line in the story? The miller. Number 2, hello, my good man. Whose dialogue is this? It's Rubezahl's. Number 3, don't worry and be happy, for I will help you get your money back. Who said in the story? Rubezahl. Number 4, that's better. This line was said by Glazier. Number 5, there you go, old chap. Better eat quick because you will be set to work soon. Who said this line? The stable boy. Number 6, I don't eat hay. I eat nothing but roasted and boiled turnips. Nothing but the best. Rubezahl said this line. Now we have only done here the name of the person who said the lines. So you have to only solve this exercise like this. You have to tell the name of the character who said these lines in the story. Moving on to exercise C2. Exercise C Part 2, it's on page number 16. Write out these sentences choosing the word that makes sense. So you have 2 options and you have to choose the correct option. A. The donkey ate some hay. Now both the words pronounce the same, but their meanings and spellings are different. So, which one is the correct answer? It is hay, Hay. Next is B. We were on our way. Now two options are given with different spellings. W-A-Y and W-E-I-G-H. Here the correct answer is way. W-A-Y. We were on our way to. Again these two words are repeated here, but here the answer is the other way. W-E-I-G-H. To weigh the suitcases. The correct answers are underlined. C part. The bear ate honey in the woods. The correct answer is B-E-A-R. D part. If only I could be a bee. Again, the two options are repeated. In the first option, we have to write B-E-B, and in the second one, we have to choose the answer B-E-E-B. E part. We paid the fare. F-A-I-R. F-A-R-E. The correct answer is F-A-R-E, and got our tickets. So this was exercise C2. You can solve it on your books, and then later you can do it on your notebooks also, and then you have to learn the answers also. I hope you understood today's lecture. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm here to guide you. Thank you.